Imagine a marine creature that can survive for hours without breathing. This is the aquatic turtle, which possesses an astonishing ability to hold its breath for extended periods, especially during winter hibernation. In this state, its metabolic rate drops significantly, allowing it to remain underwater without needing oxygen for hours. But how does it achieve this? Unlike most creatures, turtles can absorb oxygen directly from water through their oral and cloacal linings, giving them an additional advantage to stay submerged for longer. This unique ability allows them to adapt to various environments, from calm rivers to the depths of the oceans. It is one of nature's greatest wonders, revealing how life can evolve in unexpected ways to survive even the harshest conditions.